everyone, welcome to my channel Makeup Simplified. Today we'll be doing a bright and fun summer look which will look fresh and appealing for a daytime meetup with friends and family or even Sunday brunch. So let's get started. I'll start with my base, which is a NARS smudge proof eyeshadow primer, which I'm going to apply just a little quantity and blend with my fingers and spread it all the way under my eyebrows. Using a large fluffy blending brush, I'm going to use the shade Frosé from ColourPop Main Squeeze palette on my crease, and I'm going to blend it really well. Keep blending it till I get the correct shading. Blend to soften the edges so there are no harsh lines. For the shape, I'm going to try to get an almond shape. I'm packing on the same color again and again in the outer V of the eyes, and then I'm going to blend whatever product is remaining on the inside of the lid, so that it's always lighter on the inside and nice darker shade on the outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm gonna pack on some NYX pink eyeshadow on the lid. It's in the same shade family as the color on my outer crease, just a tad bit different pink shade. Now using the same large fluffy brush as before, I'm going to blend both colors together. Don't worry too much about getting your shades right because we are just blending right now. Next, I'll apply the MAC Pro Longwear Fluid Line Eyeliner in the shade Deep Brown using a pointed eyeliner brush to get more precise placement very close to my upper lashes, so we have no gaps at all. This step is important if you're not going to wear false lashes to give your eyes a defining shape. I'm going to smoke this just a little bit to give it a smoky effect. We're not going for a heavy smoky eye, but we're just going for a fun bright color. Using the highlighter shade by Ofra Cosmetics in Rodeo Drive, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. I use it almost every day and it's my favorite highlighter. I'm using the same highlighter under my brow bone to make my eyes more lifted. I will now apply some mascara by Wonder Beauty on my upper lashes. Remember the rolling and lifting motion to add volume to your lashes. This is an incredible mascara by Wonder Beauty, and the elongated shape of the wand is so perfect to get those pesky little hair near the inner corner of your eyes. So here I'm partially done with my eye makeup, and I'm gonna go ahead with my face makeup for now. The Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in Apricot is foolproof for summer because it's mattifying, it color corrects, and also absorbs excess oils. Using the Bobbi Brown color corrector in Peach, I'll dab it under my eyes or anywhere where I see some pigmentation or gray areas. A color corrector is incredible to smooth out any grays or dark circle before your concealer. I'm also going to apply it around my nose where you see a little bit of darkened or hyperpigmented areas, as well as around my lips, just to even out the skin tone. Let's go ahead and apply the concealer. Today I'll be using the Hourglass concealer in shade Pearl. This is a new concealer by Hourglass that I recently purchased from Sephora, and I've been using it quite frequently. It's very blendable and creates a nice thin layer which doesn't feel cakey or heavy. I've also used the same concealer around my lips. I'll be using the Tinted Moisturizer Pretty Fresh in shade 11N by ColourPop next and blend using a wet beauty blender. This is better than foundation during summer because it doesn't cake, crease, or break. Make sure you go over your neck and ears so everything is the same color. I'll set my makeup with translucent powder. This step is important during summer because the sweat can break your makeup. Let's quickly finish the rest of my face makeup using the Hourglass Ambient Bronzer in shade Nude Bronze right under my cheekbones so it gives me that natural facelift. I'll continue using the same bronzing shade under my jaw to make my jawline more prominent. Let's apply some pink blush by Bobbi Brown in shade Powder Pink on the apples of my cheeks. I'm using the same highlighter by Ofra Cosmetics in shade Rodeo Drive on the high points of my cheeks. This has to be my favorite step in my makeup routine. I'll also apply the same highlighter on the Cupid's bow to add some dimension to the lips. Let me finish my eye makeup from where I left off. I'm going to apply this slightly purple pink shade on the lower lash line. I'm only going in the outer 2/3 of the lash line and kind of lifting the color outwards and upwards. I'll finish off with mascara on the lower lashes. Lady Gaga's House Labs lipstick in Power Move has been my summer favorite and it goes so well with this pink look. It's not super bright pink and it just perfectly matches this bright pink eyeshadow. To add some dimension, aka pout to the lips, I'm using the shade Classic Beige by Sephora Collection lipstick just in the middle of my lips, and then I'm gonna blend it with the rest of the lipstick. This makes your lips look more fuller and plump and juicy. I'm gonna go off camera, guys, to apply my eyelashes. And now I'm gonna tightline my eyes using a brown eyeliner by Sephora Collection and a pink coral eyeliner on the lower lash line. Time for the setting spray, guys. This is the final step. So this is my final look, you guys. I've created this monochromatic look that will go really well with summer. It's bright, it's beautiful, it's fresh. You can easily wear it during the day. It's just perfect. It's a statement pink makeup look, but also so wearable. Do try this makeup and tag me on Instagram. It's make.up.simplified. Let me know in the comments how you like this look, and also let me know if you would like particular looks for me to try. Do subscribe, share, and give my video a thumbs up. Press the bell icon for notification. Love you guys. Bye.